start. At this juncture, we may examine the arbitration clause, which is enumerated in clause 16 of the tender as noted herein before. From a plain reading of the arbitration clause, it is evident that for the purpose of appointing the sole arbitrator, the chief managing director of the respondent, who shall be the appointing authority, will send within 30 days of receipt of the notice of a panel of 3 names. It will also be evident from the said arbitration clause that the contractor shall, on the receipt of the names, select any one of the persons to be appointed as a sole arbitrator and communicate his name to the appointing authority, who shall thereupon appoint the said person as sole arbitrator. Para. This clause further provides that if the seller fails to communicate such selection as noted above within the period specified, the appointing authority shall make the selection and appoint the selected person as the sole arbitrator. An overall look of the aforesaid provision of the arbitration clause makes it clear that the appointing authority for appointment of an arbitrator under the arbitration clause is the chief managing director of the respondent, who shall send a notice to the petitioner within 30 days of receipt of a panel of 3 names. Para. It is not in dispute that the said notice was duly served on the petitioner. But in spite of such service of notice, the petitioner had failed to appoint or select any one of the persons named in the panel of 3 persons from the list sent by the respondent within the time specified therein. Since the arbitration clause clearly provides for selection of one of the persons named in the panel to be appointed as the sole arbitrator by the respondents, it was open for the respondent to select one person from the panel and appoint as the sole arbitrator. In this case, admittedly, the respondent has already appointed and selected a retired judge of the Delhi High Court as the sole arbitrator. After such appointment having been made, the petitioner has filed this application saying that since the former Chief Justice of India was appointed as the sole arbitrator, it would not be possible for the petitioner to accept a retired judge of the Delhi High Court for being appointed as the sole arbitrator. Para. As noted herein above, it is not in dispute that a panel of 3 persons in compliance with the arbitration clause was sent by the respondent, which was duly received by the petitioner. In spite of receipt of the said notice to select any one of the persons named in the panel, and the petitioner having failed to select or choose any one of them and had started saying that as a former Chief Justice of India was appointed to arbitrate the disputes between the parties, the question of accepting a retired judge of the High Court as the sole arbitrator in replacement of a former Chief Justice of India was not acceptable to the petitioner. Or